everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the common blue butterfly in Heartopia. So this butterfly, sometimes you must have to catch this butterfly to complete the tele quest on this game. So when you want to catch this butterfly, you can just go to the central area and it will spawn all time and all weather. So I think you can catch this butterfly easily. So just go to your central area over here, this central area, and then just walk around until you spot this blue butterfly. This one, just equip your insect net and then just catch it like this. And just like that, you will successfully catch this common blue butterfly, and then you can complete your daily quest more easily. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.